In this video, I'm going to quickly show you how to deposit a check on the Chime app. Whether you're new to mobile banking or just need a quick refresher, this guide will help you navigate the process effortlessly. With just a few simple steps, you'll have your funds deposited without any hassle. To start, open the Chime app on your smartphone and log in using your credentials. If you haven't used the app in a while, make sure it's updated to the latest version for the best experience. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the app's home screen. Look toward the bottom of the screen and tap on the Move option. This is your gateway to managing transactions, so it's a handy area to get familiar with. After tapping Move, select Deposit Check from the list of options. This is where the magic happens. You'll now be prompted to choose the type of check you are depositing. Chime allows you to deposit various types of checks, so be sure to select the correct one, whether it's a payroll, government, or personal check. This step ensures that your check is processed accurately. Before proceeding, it's important to note that your Chime debit card should be activated. This is sometimes required to use the mobile check deposit feature, so if you haven't activated your card yet, take a moment to do so. Now, it's time to capture the images of your check. Use your phone's camera to take clear and well-lit photos of both the front and back of the check. Make sure the check is properly signed, as this is a crucial part of the process. A clear photo ensures that all the details can be read accurately, which helps prevent any delays in processing. Once you've taken the photos, submit the check for review. Chime will handle the rest from here. Typically, the check will be deposited into your account within a few business days, so keep an eye on your account balance for the update. And that's it, you've successfully deposited a check on Chime. By following these straightforward steps, you've saved yourself a trip to the bank and managed your finances right from your phone. Thanks for tuning in, and happy banking.